Welcome back to my English lesson. Today I want to review with preposition in, on, at. Okay, one, see you Sunday. On Sunday, will you always day? My birthday is December. In month. Okay. 3. My appointment is 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock. At time. Will you add with time? My appointment is at 5 o'clock. Next, 4. I graduated blank 2019. What do you think? In. We also use with years. 1 years, years. 5. I live blank Myanmar blank Yangon. What do you think? I live in Myanmar in Yangon. So we can use in with country and city. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you on next video. Thank you very much.